So question 16, do you have feature-rich and good copy focused on customer benefits? So I tell you, the huge area where people are extremely weak. The sites I could show you are staggering, but I'm just going to show you a simple way to understand this, and that is people buy the transformation. You show them where they are and you tell them where they're going to be when they're done with you. That is the simple end of it. And the thing you want to do this with is benefits, right? And things of that nature. You need to understand the difference between features and benefits. And so you write benefit-rich copy that tells them what life is going to be after they're done with you, okay? And what are the benefits that they're going to get as a result of having all the work done for them, having them finally have clarity online, whatever the benefits are that you're giving, those are what you want to convey, all right?